Can you fix it?
Time for America's favorite game show, Can You Fix It? Will John and Laura save money on their out-of-warranty car repairs?
Who are you people?
The more important question is, can you fix it?
Can't I just call a mechanic?
You could, but on your own, this repair could cost you thousands.
I knew you should have called CarShield.
Ding, ding, ding! That's correct. Calling CarShield before a breakdown could save you thousands on car repairs. Now a word from our sponsor.
Who is she talking to?
CarShield plans protect up to 5,000 parts and systems. Plans also include 24/7 roadside assistance with courtesy towing and rental car options.
Dale would have called CarShield.
Yeah, well, maybe I should have married Dale.
I don't know who Dale is, but I do know you can save money by calling CarShield.
Drivers can save thousands by calling CarShield. Call 800-579-6554